Hey everybody, I am on a completely empty airplane. We are in between Frankfurt and JFK, and it's a cargo-only flight. So that means there's just 3 pilots. I am on break right now. I am on break. I am not required to be flying. I can be back here resting, which I'm about ready to do in just a moment. But I wanted to give you a little tour of the dark airplane. Here is our galley. And to show you that we are actually in the air, we are over the Atlantic Ocean now. We just left the tip of Ireland on our way to JFK, New York. I lied, actually. There's 3 additional pilots that are on board. I just remembered they were here, but other than that, there's nobody on here. No flight attendants. Empty. Empty plane. We're actually flying cargo today. About 65,000 pounds of cargo. That's actually a lot of cargo. Airplane can weigh about 520,000 pounds. So 65,000 is a fairly decent amount. It's kind of weird being on here. Bathrooms are nice and clean because nobody's using them. We have to make our own meals. Come with me. I'm going to take you downstairs. Hold on, I have to open this door. This is our crew rest area. Ooh, one of those pilots might be down here, so I'm actually not going to go down there and do a video in case they're sleeping. Anyway, 300 passenger airplane. It's really just the 6 of us. It's kind of crazy.